Hey guys, welcome back to Helpful Solutions. This is how to fix desktop PC not turning on. So first one is just simply check the power source. So just simply verify the outlet is working by testing it with another device. And if you are using a power strip, just make sure it is turned on and functioning. And make sure the power supply switch at the back of your PC is set to on. Now, another one is inspect power connections. So check that all internal power cables are securely connected and test the power button by connecting it to the mother's board reset header and using the reset button to power on. Now, another one is discharge residual power. So unplug the PC, then press and hold the power button for 30 seconds to clear out any residual power, and you should be able to fix it. Now, another one is just simply make sure the RAM, the graphics card, and the other peripherals are properly seated. And now, another one is test the power supply unit. So if your PSU has a test button, use it to check its functionality. And alternatively, just simply perform the paper clip test. So just simply shorting the green wire to black on the 24-pin connector. There you go. See ya.